getting busy. Sitting in the house, I can hear the wind going nuts. So I figure I'd come out here and take another look. I'm trying to stay underneath a little lip on the back porch in case a branch falls or something. I don't want to get hit in the head. And this is really the only part of the tree that you can see because it's so dark out here. I got this porch light on, but you just can't see out there, you know? So, but you can see the trees just waving along. I'm also doing this because Nisi is at her sister's house, so I want her to see how it is here, and I can't send but like a 2-second video to her phone. I don't know why. Got that one branch that gets in the way. This branch here with no leaves, it gets in the way from seeing like the other branches over there swinging in the wind. Like spider webs and whatnot. Spider webs. Hang on there, spider. This is the side of the house. On the side of the house, it ain't too bad. It's like the wind is coming off of the bay out there, man. It's just crazy. I'm gonna be quiet for a second and let y'all hear this wind. I tell you what, I sure would like to be fishing. I ain't gonna lie. I should have took my ass down to the beach and did some fishing. Them rockfish be going crazy right now. Getting too old for that stuff. Whoa, I heard something crack. Gotta be careful out here. I don't want no branch smacking me upside the head, taking me out. I don't want no damn tree to fall neither. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Holy moly. I wish y'all could see in person. You can see the whole forest going crazy. Hang in there, trees. I feel bad for my squirrels. I got a family of squirrels that I feed. I know they're up in them trees. I hope they're doing all right. I know they're tough. But man, I know their houses are rocking. Good Lord. They could have stayed on the porch. I wouldn't have bothered them. I would have gave them some peanuts. The squirrels, if y'all out there, y'all can come on the porch. Come save yourselves. Come save yourselves. It's a mama squirrel and she has some babies. And now the little baby squirrels are running around. They turning into teenagers though. And they are hellions. Anyway, this is this is the storm. This is the wind. I hate to see what this next storm's gonna look like. But anyway, alright, keeping y'all updated. Appreciate all the comments on the last video. Everybody saying stay safe and stuff. Really appreciate y'all. It's the fam. Got love for y'all. Y'all know that. Appreciate every single one of y'all. Alright, y'all. Till the next one. Y'all stay safe too. Much love. Peace.